Now, welcome back, everybody. And if this is your first time, you're watching Justin Projects. Now, today I'm going to perform the wine glass sound experiment. Now, I'm guessing you've all seen this. What you do is you dip your finger to get all the natural oils off of it, and you rub it along the rim of a wine glass. And it's going to make that noise. Now, some people I have heard do not understand how this works. That's why I'm here. I'm going to explain to you how rubbing your finger against the rim of a wine glass creates a sound like that, and how rubbing it against a wine glass filled with water creates a totally different noise. Now, to start, you have to understand this water glass has no water in it. This one next to it has water in it. That's going to be important for later on. But first, you want to get all the natural oils off your finger by dipping it in the water a couple times like so. Now, the reason you do that is the oils make your finger a little bit sticky, and then your finger is going to bounce when it hits the glass, and it's not going to give it a smooth ring around it. Otherwise, you're not going to get that noise. And after you've done that, you put a little bit of pressure, and you rub it around the edge, going not crazy fast, because you're not going to get it if you go too fast, but too slow, and you're just going to hear a noise. So, just like that. Now, what's happening here is when my finger rubs against it, I'm creating sound waves. The sound waves are right now right along the edge. And that just happened, and you could hear that. What's happening is the sound waves, because of the shape of the glass, are going down in towards the glass, hitting the edge, and bouncing off. And because of its circular shape, they're going to bounce in there for a little while, until eventually they are going to come back out, and they're going to hit your ear. So, put my finger down, the sound waves are starting to bounce. They're leaving the glass and hitting my ear. Now, what happens when you fill it with water is the water won't let the sound waves bounce through the water. It's going to stop them right on the surface. So in other words, I'm cutting my wine glass short right about there, which gives it a flat surface, which the sound will bounce off differently. Now, performing this, see? It sounds different. That's because the sound has less area, therefore it's going to create a deeper pitch. So as you can see, the sound is around the rim. I rub, and it's going to bounce in, it's going to hit that water, and it's going to hit the edge and come right back out. And same with this glass. It's got more water, therefore less area, because I'm chopping my glass off right about here now. And I can hear it. It's going to sound different because I have less area. And this last glass is special. This is the most water, which helps with this effect. There we go. If you look very closely, very carefully, you can see the water is actually circulating counterclockwise with my finger. And along this edge, it's actually vibrating. And you can see the vibrations come from the sound waves going up and down between the top of the water and the depth of the water. Right along this little line here, see? Now, another trick that you can do with this, if you want to take all the time, you can actually line these up like this, and I could rub my finger against each one, and as you see, I'm getting a recording. So I've got a recording of this wine glass, a slightly deeper one, a slightly deeper one, an even deeper one. Now, in this hand, I have a tuner. Now, this tuner is a bass guitar tuner for 440 hertz. It's a good guitar tuner, and it will tune a bass for you, but it's 440 hertz, which just means that these wine glasses, which are 660, sometimes 680, are louder than that registers. So it's gonna say I'm getting a C note when I might actually be getting a D note, which is a little lower on that scale. So, as you can see now, I've explained to you, and you can show your friends. All you need is one singular wine glass, or if you want to make the experiment even grander, you can get more wine glasses, or you could get, I have 4 here, you can get 8, 10, 20. But then I recommend you get your friends, they'll help you out. You can create a whole orchestra of wine glasses, which is an interesting thing to think about. Maybe I'll perform that in the future. In fact, if you think I should, drop a comment down below. See if you'd like to see a wine glass orchestra. Thanks for watching. As I said, drop a comment down below. Like and share this video with your musical friends, your scientific friends, people who just want to see something that is going to blow your mind. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.